Hi all, it's your instructor Allison here. This short video is going to remind you, or if you haven't done it before, show you how to check your grades. So I'm here in our Blackboard course. The area you want to go to is the My Grades area here, so I'll just click on that. When you get there, you'll see all of the work that we have done or are going to be doing in the course. And the way to see your grades is to scroll down to the assignment that you're looking for. For example, to check your week 1 work, you could come down here to chapter 1 quiz, and your your point grade will be right here. Some assignments in this class are automatically graded. The quizzes are a good example of those. So as soon as you've completed them, it should show your score and you would be able to see it in here. Quite a lot of the assignments in this course require grading and review from me. So those assignments, you'll see here once you've completed them, like for the discussion board, if you've done 3 posts, then you would see a green exclamation point. That indicates you've submitted it and it's waiting to be graded. For week 1, I've completed all the grading, so you should have a point score here. To see your score or your feedback, you need to click on the score. Obviously, I haven't submitted anything, so I don't have a score, but you would click on that actual score. So say I had a 30 out of 30, I'd click on that 30. That should bring up the feedback and the opportunity to view the rubric. For discussion boards, the feedback is on the bottom of the rubric, so you'll want to look at your rubric score and then read the feedback on the bottom of that. If you have any questions, need clarification, anything about your grades, please let me know. I'm always happy to help. But it is really important that you're checking the feedback that I provide for you each week in order to do your best and make any adjustments. So I'm looking forward to a great week. Thanks.